Bottom Line had already installed more than 100 speech laboratories in the Philippines since 1998, the most recent are St. Columban College, Universidad de Zamboanga, Naga College Foundation, University of the Visayas, Don Jose Acleon Memorial College Foundation, St. Mary's Academy of Hagonoy, Don Mariano Peralta National High School, St. Mary's College of Tagum, Cotabato Foundation College, and Donghari Elementary School. It already have installed 5 units in Tanzania, East Africa, like the Centers of the Vocational Education and Training Authority, VETA, like VETA Mtwara, VETA Lindi, VETA Mikumi, Arusha Technical College, and Mwanza Vocational Training College. Phonetic Speech Laboratory is equipped with pedagogical pronunciation lessons with modeling tools that shows how sounds are reproduced and articulated based on the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, and backed with pronunciation exercises like word drills and sentence trails. The system allows your students to record their pronunciation during self-study, and you can retrieve it for evaluation so that you can introduce remedial measures. You might want to type in your browser Best Speech Laboratory and you will be directed to www.bottomlinephoneticSpeechLab.com, where you can view videos posted on YouTube and Facebook, or you might want to email to bottomlinespeechlab@yahoo.com or call 092053944711 to get more information and incentives. Call now.